In this video, we show you how to fix beginning balance issues when reconciling in QuickBooks Online. When you reconcile your books, you might see an alert saying your beginning balance is off in QuickBooks Online. This means something changed in the month you already reconciled. Luckily, if you see this alert, you caught the issue and we can help you fix it. Here are the 4 reasons this could happen. The amount of a transaction changed. Someone unreconciled a transaction in the register. Someone added a transaction to a past reconciliation by accident, or someone deleted a transaction. Let's go over how to fix each of these. To start, select the Settings icon, then select Reconcile. Here's where you'll see an alert if you have a problem with your opening balance. Select the link to look at your discrepancy report. Under the column Change Type, you'll find some information